Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you the sugar wax. Now this is an update of my old video. In this video I'll be showing you 3 ways to use your sugar wax. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So first of all, I'll get a non-stick pan and I'll come in with about 400 grams of white sugar. I'll come in with about 40 ml of fresh lemon juice. Then another 40 ml of water. I'll mix everything up gently. Then I'll put it on low fire. So I'll keep on stirring whilst I cook it on low fire. As it gets thicker, the color is going to change. So I'll keep on mixing till it turns wooden brown. So as you can see, it is ready, so I'll just put off the fire and let it cool down. I'll get a glass container and transfer the wax into it. This can be remelted with a microwave or a double boiler. So I've got some remaining over here and this is how to use it. With the first method, I'll get a spatula, get a little bit of the wax and put it on my wrist. I'll come in with a wax strip. I'll push it down very well and I'll strip it off in a U motion. So this is me using it as a soft wax. So as it cools down, it gets a little bit thicker, so this is the time to use it as a hard wax. With the help of my spatula, I'll take a little amount. Then I'll put it on my hands. You can put it anywhere you want to, use it on. I'll let this cool down and let it, harden up a little bit. After it has cooled down, I'll just strip it off in a U motion. I must say this is my favorite method. Now finally we have the, the dough-like Arabic kind of wax. You can basically knead this with your hands. This comes in very handy when you don't have time and you need to get rid of hair. So you make it into a bowl and you put it on any part of your body. You can use this in the bikini area as well. You just spread it on the hairy area and just strip it off. You can take the same wax and put it on another part of your body. You can do this till it's so full of hair that you don't want to use it any longer. As you can see, this is very stretchy. I must say the sugar wax is one of the safest kind of wax to use around your bikini area. You are going to agree with me that with the wax you get from the supermarket and the beauty supplies, it has this very strong smell and sometimes it even suffocates you. These are made with chemicals and I must say it's not the best for the environment as well. This sugar wax is cheaper, safer and more convenient. A kilogram of sugar costs about 50 cents and if you use a kilogram you're going to get so much product as compared to the expensive ones you have to buy from the beauty supply or from the supermarket. This is ecological and economical as well. I hope you are really going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.